Welcome back everyone to Trudgy's Motorcycling Experiences. I am your host Andrew, of course. So I just want to show you guys the Two Brothers exhaust that I kind of previewed for you in the other video, what the sound is like. One of the big things that I was doing when I was looking at getting a bike was listening to every exhaust video that I could possibly find to figure out which one I actually wanted. And it's very difficult on computer speakers, of course, but I picked it out based on that and I absolutely love it. So without further ado, let's start her up and we'll get a sound check on her. Hopefully that sound comes through my microphone good enough, but that gives you an idea of what the Two Brothers Racing Turnout exhaust will be on a 2022 Street Bob with a 114 in it. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.